Plenty of people wouldn't believe that for under $300 you can get a smartphone with amazing features comparable to those over $1,000. Alcatel have 3 new phones coming in 2018. We're going to have a look at the Alcatel 5 and the Alcatel 3 right here on EFTM. Facial recognition is something you might have heard from the big players like Apple and Samsung in their latest smartphones, but Alcatel's got it in a $200 and $300 smartphone, works in under half a second. All I do is press the power button, hold the phone up, and it's unlocked. They've also created a mode in the camera called social mode, allowing you to create instant collages and social media photos right from the software that's built into the Alcatel 3, 5 and 1. And it's not just software. The Alcatel 5 has 2 lenses at the front for a wide-angle selfie mode, and on the Alcatel 3, a dual lens, giving the opportunity to do portrait mode, and I'll test that here on this sign behind me. Every single phone in the Alcatel range in 2018 will feature the 18:9 display that we're seeing in some of the biggest phones on the market. Every single Alcatel phone will be under $300. Great features, beautiful design, and amazing value from Alcatel. Full details at EFTM.com.
This is EFTM, everything for the man.